Okay, good day everybody. This is Freeman once more. Today I want us to talk about loops in Java. Basically, we are going to be continuing from our previous tutorial. So today we are going to be talking about while loops. You must remember that in our previous tutorial we talked about a for loop, right? So now we are going to be talking about the while loop. The while loop works pretty much the same as the for loop, but then it depends on preference on a given task, right? So we are going to demonstrate, we'll see how exactly can we apply while loop, maybe compared to the for loop, right? Okay, maybe basically let us remind ourselves, we'll see basically what is a loop when we talk about loop in programming. We said a loop is a programming construct which helps us to execute repetitive code. If we want to do some repetitive code that when it executes, it's going to repeat itself. For example, if you are trying to create a login system, and then we have an instance whereby the user will try to log in maybe with the wrong credentials, and then you want to repeat that execution. If maybe the user has used the wrong credentials, then you are giving them another chance, or maybe three more chances. Within three more chances, you are going to start afresh and trying to log in. So that's a repetitive code. Sometimes you can use loops for maybe like when you are taking, let me say, you are registering people in a questionnaire or in something, whatever. So you are trying to take in the data of the same people for some time. Maybe you are going to register a 50 people, so you are going to take the same data in from different 50 people. You can use a loop in there so that your system can be always looking all around those people that you are trying to register in your system, right? I think now you understand what is repetitive code. Okay, so we are going to do it. With the for loop, we said we just, excuse me, the structure of the for loop was like this. I'm trying to, my energy, I think this, yes, the structure of the for loop was like this one, right? Whereby we have the count variable in here, and then we have the size in here. We see what are we going to limit our loop with, and then we have this one adding the counter. For maybe if we want to stop our loop at 10, then the counter is going to go for 10 times, adding one each and every loop, right? So that's how the for loop we said it's working. So let us talk about the while now. The while it's a little bit different in structure, or maybe in its concept when it comes to this. We just introduce it like this. We just type in the name of while, and then inside in here we give the condition. For example, I'm going to say while true. When I say while true, and then maybe and then in here I'm just going. When I say while true, true means so long as the program is running. This program, this one, if this class or this program is running, while this program is running, everything that I want to type in here is going to be executed so long as this program is running. Basically, this statement to true means it's gonna be something like it's an infinite loop. An infinite loop is something that's never ends, because when you say so long as this program is running, what is going to happen is you will not have that. Maybe let me just show you this. We will not be able to stop our loop. This loop is going to execute so long as the program is running, or so long as the machine is on. That is an infinite loop. It will keep on executing for forever. That is what we call an infinite loop. So long as this program is running. So basically, which means this is the condition that we need to control so that our loop in here can be able to execute or to do things maybe according to whatever given condition that we have given in here. So let me just say say condition, and then for now it's gonna run infinitely, something like this, right? How do we write infinitely? Infinitely. Now it's gonna run infinitely, but then unfortunately, I think because it might be my first time running since I've just started this IntelliJ. I'm using IntelliJ, so sometimes IntelliJ, I think it needs some time basically when you are running for the first time, because it has to do a lot of indexing and building stuff. So that's why it is taking a little bit longer than maybe I anticipated. But then I think now it is going to run. Let us give it something like a minute or so. Yeah, maybe in a minute. Now it must be running because checking dependencies and what. Building and running after task finished those things. Okay, now it is completed and then it is successful. So maybe in a second, so now it must show our screen. Yes, as you can see. As you know, you can note now, it is still running. It prints this statement infinitely, right in here. Keeps on printing it, as you can see. We will not be able to stop all. 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 So it keeps on running. As you can see, this scroll bar here, it keeps on shrinking, meaning that every time this one is infinite. Meaning that if this program was to be run maybe in an industrial environment, your program will keep on running depending we'll see what type of program were you doing. This when you use this while loop, you are going to have a program that keeps on running. So now we want to make our program to control it, make it stop at a certain time or maybe at a certain variable. So to make it stop, we're just going to maybe let me just change here. Make it stop now, right? So to make it stop, what we need to do, we need to introduce another variable, or we just create a variable. I think we know a variable. We need to introduce a variable. Maybe let me introduce it here. I'm going to call it counter. How do you write counter? Something like this, and then maybe I'm going to start it from 0, right? And then in this variable, I want to use this counter variable to stop the loop at a certain value. So now the counter is at 0, right? We want to stop our loop when the counter maybe reaches 10 or something, right? So we're going to say while counter. How to count this is less than maybe 10, something like this, or maybe we can just say less than or equal to, because we want to include 10 in our while counter is less than or equal to 10. Then we want to do something in here. And what are we going to say? We are going to say enter your login details, because we want to demonstrate a situation whereby the user is trying to log in and then he is failing, or maybe he's giving in a wrong login credentials. So I'm going to say enter your login details, something like this, and then maybe you can just put in your system in. So now what can happen is, if we try to run now, it can run infinitely again. Why? Because the counter stays at 0 now. So if we can run now, it can run infinitely. We need to make it keep on adding a variable or a value in our counter so that it stops at number 10. So to do that, to add that, we need to when it gets into when it runs this loop for the first time, we need to be able to add one in the counter so that the counter doesn't become 0 and then it becomes 1, and then in the second loop it becomes 2, and then in the third loop it becomes 3 up until it reaches 9 or 10. So here we're going to add 1 in the counter. We're just going to say counter and then plus plus like this. Now our loop can stop. Let us see. What is it doing what we want it to do? Let us just. I think now it must be faster than before because excuse me. Because now I'm just running it for the second time. So it must be faster than before. But then what we expect now is that the counter will start from 0, right? And then it loops for the first time, and then if it loops for the first time, when it reaches this stage, it's going to add 1 into the counter. And then it loops for the second time, and it reaches this stage, it adds 1, and then it loops for the third time. Because when you add 1 in the counter becomes 1 or 0, and then when you add 1 again, the counter becomes 2. When you add 1 again, the counter becomes 3. When we also add 1 again, as you can see in here, we have now it has stopped. You can see it says process finished within what is it printed something like let me just see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Oh, because I included 10 when I started from 0, that is why it gave us 11 executions in here, or 11 loops in here. But then if maybe we just removed it or do equal to here in here, if we just said a counter is less than 10 like this, it was going to give us exactly 10 loopings in here. But I think now you understand the concept behind the use of the while loop. So otherwise, guys, have a good day. Please continue supporting the channel, subscribing, liking, and sharing to your friends. We'll see you in future tutorials in which we are going to be talking about a new kind of loop which we call the do